Everyone's talking about AI taking jobs, but almost nobody is talking about the new high-paying AI jobs that are being created every single week. Jobs that don't require a degree, jobs you can do from home, and jobs where beginners are earning more than traditional careers. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 secret AI jobs that very few people know about, but companies are already paying surprisingly high amounts for them. Welcome back to the Bright Mind Show. I'm your host, and today we're breaking down the real AI opportunities that almost everyone is missing. Let's get started. Companies are automating their work using tools like Zapier, Make, and ChatGPT. But most businesses have no idea how to connect these tools properly. That's where the AI Workflow Builder comes in. Your job is to analyze a business, identify tasks that can be automated, build workflows using AI tools, and maintain them. People are earning $500 to $3,000 per automation system, and once you build it, it runs on autopilot. This is one of the fastest growing new careers. With HeyGen, Opus Clip, and Descript, companies are now hiring people to create automated videos. These include product explainers, YouTube scripts, training videos, and TikTok ads. Many businesses don't want to hire actors, editors, or videographers anymore. Instead, they pay AI video creators $30 to $200 per video. This job is exploding because content is becoming AI first. Most small businesses want to use ChatGPT, but they don't know how to write prompts that actually work. A prompt engineer helps them create customer support prompts, email writing prompts, inventory management prompts, social media content systems. Some prompt engineers charge $50 to $200 just for writing one effective prompt. This job is in high demand because AI is only as good as the prompt you give it. Thanks to tools like 11 Labs, many creators now outsource their voiceovers. Your job is to generate high-quality voices, edit them, deliver clean audio. People use these for YouTube channels, ads, audiobooks, explainer videos. You can easily make $10 to $50 per voiceover, and some creators earn much more. Midjourney and DALL-E have changed the entire design world. An AI thumbnail designer is someone who creates eye-catching YouTube thumbnails, builds marketing visuals, designs ads for small businesses. AI makes the design 10 times faster, and clients will still pay $10 to $40 per thumbnail. This job has almost no competition because most people still don't know how to use AI tools properly. These are real AI jobs, not hype, not theory. They're in demand right now, and the people who learn them early will make the most money. If you want part-time, full-time, freelance, or even a new career, AI is giving you a chance. Thanks for watching The Bright Mind Show. See you in the next one.